Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm very glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your 1111 portal reading, which is today. Okay, so I hope it will help you out in some manner, but please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the collective general reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here in this reading. So let's start the beautiful collective messages of 1111 portal. But this is very beautiful and very powerful portal in the whole year. Okay, in other words, I can say this is the portal in which you can manifest in everything. Okay, anything you can manifest in this portal, and the energies are so strong that you can feel vibrations on your, specifically on your crown chakra. 0111 is the recording reading time, so that can be a possibility that you can feel the vibrations on the crown chakra here. So now let's start the reading. Before starting your reading, I'm going to give you some messages which I received while doing the meditation for you. And the message was very clearly that transformation is taking place for you, Aquarius. Okay, second message which I received for you is that you need to trust the universe. You need to ground yourself, meditate and ground yourself here. Okay, so ground yourself, spend some time in nature, so that will help you out in grounding your energy. And second message was meditate, so you have to meditate yourself, trust that everything is happening according to the divine plan. You have to believe in the magic. The transformation message was there here. 1 minute, I have to take out the cards first. So I got 3 or 4 messages of transformation from the tarot. Also I got the transformation energy. Okay, see, the transformation is taking place. You're becoming more beautiful than before, the butterfly. Okay, so you're becoming the butterfly right now. Fresh new ways of living emerges, so that's why you can see lot of butterflies, eagle. That can also be a possibility that you can see eagle these days. And the second message which I received for you is freedom. The freedom is coming for you here, Aquarius. Okay, and you have to trust the divine. Okay, trust that everything is happening according to the divine plan. Okay, okay, so transformation energy was there, and you have to listen to the intuitions. There was a full energy here. Take a leap of faith. Okay, you have to take a leap of faith here. And right now you are becoming the empress here. Okay, death and rebirth, transformation energy is here. So I have beautiful message of transformation. Okay, either your relationship is transforming or your personal things are transforming, but transformation energy is here again. You need to surrender yourself to the divine. Use your intuition. Right now your intuition is too much high. Okay, and you have to take a leap of faith, and lot of miracles, abundance, prosperity is coming towards you. A new chapter is going to start. Abundance, prosperity is here. Lot of abundance message is here. Okay, so abundance card is here. This is the divine timing which is coming for you, and lot of you and your soulmate is coming here in your life. There is a soulmate energy which I received here in your reading. So some of you, if you are manifesting the soulmates, then your soulmate is coming here. So this is a union of soulmate. A soulmate is coming for you here, but for that you need to release anything which you're still not releasing yet. Okay, so you need to release that thing. There are definitely new beginnings and blessings which are coming up for you. So these are the meditation messages which I received while doing the meditation. So now let's start the messages which I'll tell you right now. Okay, so now let's start the reading. Please guide God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages for Aquarius for the 1111 portal 2021, which I need to deliver. Deliver me the important messages for Aquarius for this 1111 portal. Okay. So see, regeneration, again the transformation energy is here. Okay, so you can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Let's start the reading. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? You need to be more flexible, and right now you are, see, I told you, this is the energy which I told you right now only. You are right now, you are connecting to the higher powers. See, can you see the third eye, the crown chakra is getting activated. Now you can connect to the consciousness which is available for you, to the universe consciousness. Okay, it is the time where you can easily manifest and you can easily connect to the universal energies. And imagine is again the manifestation energy. So whatever you are manifesting right now, you can going to manifest here, and you are already doing the manifestation, Aquarius. Okay, so there is chaos and conflicts. Whatever chaos and conflicts you are going through, you are becoming the beautiful butterfly, I can say that. Can you see in this picture, this is the zebra, but because of the chaos and conflicts, the zebra is shedding the skin of the giraffe. So you are shedding the skin of your old self. Okay, you're becoming the beautiful butterfly, you're becoming the empress here, and that's the energy. Okay, that is helping you out to glow into the beautiful things. Something is coming which is written in your fates, which is written in your destiny, and community is with you. They are working with you here, Aquarius. Okay, now let's see more from the animal spirits. Thank you for giving the messages for Aquarius. Please give me the messages. Overcome any obstacle. There is rhino spirit, overcome any obstacles here. So you can overcome any obstacle. Do not worry at all. See the picture from a higher perspective. Whatever chaos and conflicts you are going through in your life, these chaos and conflicts are helping you out to shedding your old skin and becoming a beautiful zebra. Okay, so you're becoming your highest self basically because of these conflicts. So it's good if you're going through some kind of chaos and conflicts then. Okay, let's see more messages from Moonology deck. Please give me the messages for Aquarius. Thank you for giving the messages. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Wow, a new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra. Bottom of the deck, I'm having emotions are running high. So right now maybe you are in tune with your emotion side, and there is a new cycle of love which is being started here. A new romantic cycle has been begin in your life. So that's the energy, because you are going through a new cycle. You are ending old cycles and you are starting a new cycle. So a new romantic cycle is going to begin here. So that's beautiful. Can you see it? I just cut it out, and there is love energy here. Definitely there is a new cycle of love which is being activated, which you have been started now in this portal. Okay, a new romantic cycle has begun for you, Aquarius. Now let's see more messages. Please give me the messages for Aquarius. Trust. See, I told you, bottom of the deck there is transformation here. You need to trust your inner guidance, trust on yourself, trust the guidance which you are receiving, trust the universe, trust the divine, that everything is happening according to the divine plan here. Okay, then there is transformation. See, I told you, you are going through a process of transformation. You are becoming the beautiful butterfly here. Okay, there is butterfly spirit. So maybe you can see a lot of butterflies these days around yourself, and there is standing strong passage. So you are crossing the bridge here and you're coming towards the light. Can you see how beautiful this picture image is? This girl is crossing this passage, the bridge, and this girl is coming towards the colorful rainbow sky here. So this is beautiful. Now let's see more messages here. Again the love messages here. New romantic cycle, soulmate energy is here. Again the release card is here. I'm going to take it. these two here. So you need to definitely release anything which you are still holding on to. This is the time to release anything which don't serve your highest good. Okay, so release anything which you are still holding on. This is the perfect time to release that things here. Okay, and definitely there is love which is coming for you. Love is in the air. Okay, so beautiful energy. Now let's see messages from the Chakra Wisdom Oracle deck. Thank you for giving the messages. One card I have already taken from this deck, that is the release. Okay, please give me one more message. Please give me one more message here. Gossip. Whatever prayers you are doing here, your prayers are being going to ask here. Okay, that means your prayer are going to come true here. Okay, maybe people are gossiping around yourself, but that doesn't even matter here. Or you are doing that, then you have to stop that thing. Okay, forgiveness is required here. Open up your heart chakra here. Okay, Aquarius, that you need to do. So this is beautiful. Thank you. Now let's see one messages from the Ganpati Bappa, Whispers of Lord Ganesha. There is definitely guidance, support from the divine you are having, and there is some kind of wish fulfillment which is going to come true for you. Enlightenment. See, I told you your crown chakra. Right now you have to relaxation and rest and rejuvenate yourself, because 1111 portal will be going to give you a lot of energies basically on your crown chakra. Okay, enlightenment, you will feel some kind of vibrations or something on your crown chakra. So energies are being received through your crown chakra here. The downloads, the universal messages, consciousness energies are being downloading in your crown chakra. So right now you have to take care of yourself here, relax and rejuvenate yourself. You can spend some time in nature, that will help you out in some way here. So now let's see more messages. See, I was telling you this thing only. Get the big picture. See the picture from a higher perspective here. Okay. Let's see what is the message from the secret traveler here. Please give me the message for Aquarius. Please give me the messages for Aquarius. Wow. Open your heart to joy, lie back, rest and relax. That's what I told you just few minutes before, that you have to lie back, relax and rest and rejuvenate yourself, because this energy, for this energy you need to relax for some time. Okay, and there is open up your heart to joy. You need to open up your heart chakra so that you can receive. Open up yourself to receive. Okay, so thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see more messages from the numerology deck. Please give me the message for Aquarius. Moderation. Any other message for Aquarius? Try to eat healthy as much as you can. Okay, moderation is here. So try to eat healthy as much as you can. That's the message I'm receiving here. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Let's see messages from the energy oracle cards. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Please give me the messages for Aquarius 1111 portal. Wow, door to spirit has been opened up. There is thinking man. Wow, yin yang. Bottom of the deck I'm having patience. 7th chakra Archangel Uriel. Patience. Again crown chakra message is here. Your 7th chakra crown chakra is getting activated here. Okay, let me read it out from the book also. But your crown chakra is being getting activated right now. You have to take care of yourself right now. That's why the door to spirit has been open up here, because right now you have the ability to connect with spirits, the spirit connection, the intuitions, the inspiration, the universal guidance, the angels, the ancestors. Now you can connect with them. Okay, this is beautiful, because this is the great time to get connected here. Okay, You can also even have access to the Akashic records. Okay, the storehouse of all information here. This connection is open now, and you can find that your own spirit and the spirits of those around you will be able to provide the answers you seek and the blessings you desire and deserve. Okay, so this is beautiful. This chakra is located at the top of your head, and it is getting activated here. So now, right now, this indicates that there is an open and free flowing information and inspiration from the wonderful beings in the spirit worlds. You are getting the receive from that. So this is beautiful here, Aquarius. I love the reading. And there is someone who is thinking about you here. The thinking man is here. Right now you have to keep the patience, Aquarius. And there is yin yang. So if you are in a twin flame journey, there is a reunion for you here. And the other meaning of this card is that your inner masculine and the inner feminine energy is getting balanced, and you are going to get union within yourself. Okay, so you are balancing your masculine and feminine energy, the yin and yang energies of within yourself. So this is very beautiful energies here. Thank you. Let me add one message from the wow fairies, oracles of fairies. The new beginnings. The fairy godmother heralds the joyous news of a new baby or a birth of a cherished idea. Protect and nurture your ideas as you would be a baby. So definitely there is a new beginning which is happening for you. Right now you have to take care of yourself as you are a small newborn baby right now. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Love. Share your heart. To love another is the ultimate expression of grace. So love is in the air definitely for you, Aquarius. There is a lot of cards which is showing that love is coming for you. You just need to open up your heart, share your heart here. Okay, let's see more messages from the Quantum Oracle deck. Please give me the messages for Aquarius for the 11/11 portal reading, which is important to deliver. There is an increase cycle which is going on. Increase. Okay, so increase means increase in everything. Increase in career, increase in career, increase in love, increase in abundance, increase in money, increase in everything. You have to be right now you're following the great gratitude. That's your consciousness. Maybe you are giving the gratitude daily on a daily basis, and that's why this cycle has been increased. And this is beautiful because when you focus on the things which you already have, this is what happened. Okay, increase cycle is going on in your life right now. There is beautiful, there is kindred partnership. See, I told you there is a soulmate which is coming up for you. There is kindred partnership which is coming, and there is new supportive connections which are coming up for you in this 11/11 portal. So that's very powerful, very beautiful messages here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see messages from the fortune reading cards. Please give me the messages for Aquarius. What is the message you want me to deliver? Please give me the messages. Luck is on your side. You are right. You are right to be strong and optimistic about the opportunities ahead, because right now the luck is on your side. Okay, this is the clove leaf, and this is very beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see more. What are the messages you want me to deliver for Aquarius for this 11/11 portal? Please give me the important messages. Wow. What else you want? The sun is here. Reunions. I told you, if you are dealing with a twin flame, if you are dealing with a soulmate, there is definitely reunion which is happening here. There is reunions, kindred partnership, lot of cards which is telling me that there is a definite reunions, yin yang soulmate energy which you are having here for this 1111 portal. And there is sun. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. So definitely new happy beginnings in your love life, new happy beginnings in your career. That is all coming for you, Aquarius, in this portal. And that this is very beautiful reading, I can say that. Okay, so let me see more messages for you. From the angels and ancestors, what is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? You just need to open up your heart to receive. Just say, I am open to receive the blessings which the universe is trying to give me. Okay, just say this. You can use this affirmation. Let me see one message for Aquarius for this reading. Please give me one message. Star ancestors, follow the voice of your soul. And that's very beautiful energy and message for you. You need to follow the voice of your soul, okay, because you have the all the guidance and all the answers within your soul. You just need to open up and you just need to follow the voice of your soul. Okay, so this is beautiful message here. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one more message from the angels. Please give me the message for Aquarius. Surrender yourself. Surrender yourself to the divine, to the universe. Okay, there is a surrender message here. Thank you. Now let me add one message from the archangels. Please, archangels, give me one message for Aquarius. Wow. This is Archangel Phalia. Honor animals, communicate with different species. This message I received while doing meditation also. You have to communicate with animals here, okay? Maybe from the squirrel, there is rat, there is rabbit, there is lion, lizard, okay? There is a specific message which you will receive from the animals, okay? So try to communicate with the animals. So there is a definite message which you will receive through animals here. So this is beautiful. So let me add one message from the Krishna consciousness for Aquarius. Please give me one message. See, a lot of abundance message is here. You will receive abundance here. So a lot of abundance is coming up for you, Aquarius. So this is beautiful. Now let me add, sorry, okay, let me add one message from the true love reading cards, and let's see what is the message for Aquarius for 1111 portal 2021. Please give me one message here. Resolving conflicts. Any other message you want me to deliver here? Wow, see, yin yang energy is here again. So definitely if you are dealing with a twin flame here, there is a yin yang reunion which is happening here. And another message which I received through it is that you're getting the union within yourself. You are balancing your inner masculine and the inner feminine energies here. So that's beautiful, because you are becoming more mature than before. The maturity, the spiritual maturity is coming here for you, and you are resolving your conflicts. You need to resolve your conflicts. Open up your heart, let go anything which you still needs to release. That's why the message was release. Release any conflicts which you are still holding on, so that you can receive the love which you deserve, Aquarius. Okay, understanding, compassion, empathy, resolve the conflicts here. So that's the message I'm receiving here. This is beautiful message. Now let me add one message from the Gateway of Oracles. What this 1111 portal is bringing for Aquarius. Please give me the message. Please give me the message. And I am really sorry if you hear any voice in the background, because there are kids playing in my home. Okay, See, I told you, you need to be open up to love, opening to love. My heart is open, so you need to take this, you need to open up your heart because love is coming for you, Aquarius, but you need to open up here to receive. There is healing the past. I step up into the future and my future with strength and clarity. You need to heal your past and the past is getting healed. Then there is sharing of yourself. I am incredibly generous being, and can you see in this there is a zebra here. So there is, you are definitely, because of these conflicts and chaos, you are shedding the old skin and you are becoming the beautiful butterfly. Okay, you becoming the beautiful butterfly here. So that's the message I'm receiving here. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add last message from the spell casting oracle decks and then I'm going to close out this reading. Okay, let's see what is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius. Please give me the message for Aquarius. Okay, please give me the message, inspiration and manifestation, and that's what the energy it right now. You have to do the manifestation. Whatever you are doing the manifestation here, Aquarius, you are going to receive your manifestation. Okay, so do the manifestation in this energy. Okay, manifestation energy is available for you here, and right now you are having all the tools to manifest anything here for your life. So this is beautiful energy which I received. So that was the messages for your 1111 portal. I hope it will help you out in some manner, Aquarius. If you want to tell me anything regarding this, you can also let me know in the comment section. Okay, sending you lots of love and healing light to all those who are watching my video. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.